Hey you guys. Alright, in this activity you guys should have already completed the first two rows, the copy a triangle and SSS. You guys might have a different triangle in the first row than I do. That's fine, as long as these two triangles look congruent. I'm also hoping that you guys have already discussed the connection between this construction and the SSS postulate. Basically, as you can see, if all three sides of a triangle are congruent to all three sides of another triangle, the triangles have to be congruent. That's what the postulate says. I'm going to go over SAS. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the same triangle and pick a different color. Let's use orange. I'm going to use this side and this side. And this included angle. Remember, an included angle is in between the two sides. If you guys remember, first thing you want to do when you're copying a segment is to draw a line. So let me use brown. Okay. I'm going to take my compass and measure this side here. Remember to try to hold your compass at the bend so it doesn't wobble. And I have my first point. Okay. Now I'm going to measure the included angle. And if you guys remember, some time ago we did an activity where we did a construction called copy an angle. The way you copy an angle is that first you take your compass and you draw an arc that intersects two legs of the angle. Make the same arc where you're trying to copy the angle. And then you're going to take your compass and you're going to measure the distance like so. And then do the same thing here. Okay? And then you draw your line. Okay? So, this segment is congruent, and this angle is congruent. Now I just need to make this segment congruent to segment AB. So I'm going to do a repeat of the first step. And if you do everything right, you should end up with a triangle congruent to the first triangle. And the reason for that is because if you have two congruent sides and an included angle that's also congruent, the two triangles must be completely congruent.